silencer in it? Oh, that's gotta go, baby. We got here, rice pipe gang. Y'all already know what's up. We got that fart cannon we about to pull off today. This thing is so sick. Dude, it's perfect, dude. Imagine that rolling down the highway. You already know what's up. I'm actually gonna make this a center exit exhaust. Oh no! Does it fit on this? Dang it! I wanted to put this on there and try and start it up with this to be funny, but they're both exactly 3-inch pipes. Say what you guys want, but I'm a huge fan of N1 style exhausts. RS type, like GTA style, I don't know.
Your boy is gonna have to take this silencer out, because this silencer is quiet. Ah!
I'm pretty sure something bounced around in there and went back into my mouth.
Were you yelling?
I was not yelling, no. Oh, first try? This trash out of here, dog. Bro, let's start her up. Oh, that didn't work. What's up, neighbors? Good afternoon, baby. Yeah. Oops, sorry, guys. Hey, I am not sure why it's in my dad's house, but we got some drift parts, boys. Ah, yes. I missed you. Yeet. I can hear that car idling over this one. That's a problem. I did a lot of research online, and I seriously have never, I couldn't find one in the 30 minutes that I was looking. I've never seen an Evo X with a left side exit exhaust. Like, that's what Supras do, that's what most old Japanese cars do. But no Evo has it, so I'm thinking, right now we have the unfinished tip right here. Now, obviously that's not what it's gonna look like. We're gonna end up doing this.
Just connect it right there, right?
That's a good idea, yeah. If we don't do that, we'll probably actually angle it up like this. I really want to have a left side exit exhaust, and I'm thinking it's doable. Like a little bit angled like that.
That'd be cool. Having a 1-of-1
limited exhaust. I'm not sure how difficult it'll be for him to bend the pipe. I'll talk to him about it. If it's too difficult, then we won't do it, but I want to try and be original here. I think that would be absolutely sick. Nonetheless, we're gonna make this thing loud today. Let's go. Don't scrape, don't scrape, don't scrape, don't scrape, don't scrape. Oh, that was definitely a scrape. Woo! We're back, baby.
Oh. Are you ready?
What? I can't hear you.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm always ready.
It's gonna be so loud.
You think we can? Oh, it looks so cool if we do it like that.
It's gonna look awesome.
You think we can do it?
Oh yeah, we can do anything.
Yes! Tag me in them on Instagram or show them to me on Twitter if you've seen an Evo X with a left-hand side exhaust. Not a dual,
but a single exit on the left-hand side.
Hey, I'm just trying to be OG here, alright? My camera's tripping right now. Super Wiener, what are you doing to me?
I think that's a Nick punch.
I feel like it could be done, but I just don't want it to be too terribly angled. But that's a good angle. No, that's straight. I don't like that. No. I mean, it looks good still. Shoot. Okay. Well, you know what? We'll figure it out, I guess. Today we're back. Last week we technically straight piped it, but we didn't. We straight piped it right after the cat because I needed it to be inspected. We got it inspected this week, and the guy who inspected the car stalled the car twice, and it was really funny. We didn't bypass the cat. Today, we're gonna take out the cat completely and do like a high flow test pipe, whatever you want to call it. It's gonna be loud. This is a huge cat. Is it possible to go left exit?
Yes.
Yes? I've seen dual exit exhausts where, you know, they'll have like a Y section right here and it'll come out right there, and they'll have that exact same tip, but it'll be on both sides. But I've never seen one on the left side.
I think we can do it on the left. It's gonna be great. Go.
I'm excited. I'm excited. Get her done. That's how we do it out here in Texas.
Back country.
Here, backcountry Texas. start her up. I'll do a little bit less angle, and there you go, that's good. Oh yeah. This is going to look, it already does look sweet. I'm excited to shoot some fireballs. I've always wanted a car that shoots fireballs. My Subaru never did it because I had a very small cat in the downpipe. This guy's gonna shoot some red boogers out the exhaust. It is finished. Let me show you this exhaust. So we've got this straight piped baby going straight out the back. So good. Oh, 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 woo. Look at this weld right here. Damn! Damn, Nick! And then we got the nice rice cannon coming out. I love these exhausts. I love the way that they look. And here we go. Voila, we have one of the first Evos. I say one of the first. I don't really know. I just want to keep saying that. But one of the first Evos with a left exit exhaust. And I couldn't be more excited about it. Let's get it down. I'm ready to start it up and shoot some fat boys, some flames. Fat boys.
Yeah,
Not gonna shoot any fat boys. Y'all ready to hear it? Oh, it looks so sick when it's on the ground. I love it. Just driving.
Huge. Oh,
that's a big pipe. It's a big boy. Dig it, dude. I love single exits. Wes, you're like the startup king for me. You've done all my startups, so you want to go ahead and give her a go?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course I do.
What daggum rasser has freaking pipes like this come out? Daggum, you ruined this damn Evo right here. Tell you what.
You ready? You ready? You ready?
I'm ready. I am ready. Come on, Wes, let's go. It's still it's straight pipe is so quiet. Give it a second, let's give it some revs. I love how quiet this car is at idle. That's a good old turbo car. That smells good, baby. Oh, yes. Yeah, that sounds perfect. That literally sounds perfect. I couldn't imagine, like, I didn't want it to be too raspy, too loud, but it sounds so good. You like it?
I do.
It's so good. It's so good. Bring her down here, baby. Oh, you're good. You're good. Oh, that is tight, but that's... Woo. Oh, the exhaust looks so good. It looks so good, dude. Dude, it sounds so sick. That sounds perfect. So perfect. Yes.
It's good.
Oh, and it smells nice. Jeez. God down, Racer. Turn it. Hey, turn it down. Nick, thanks again, man. Awesome job. You guys make sure you hit up McKinney Speed if you need any custom exhaust fabrication. They've done this car. They did my Jeep. They did my Jeep SRT, and let me tell you what, dude. They all sound good, and he does an amazing job. And he's done it for really inexpensive. He's very fairly priced. So I'll show you guys the sign, and then we'll give you guys some good driving footage. It sounds so nice on the inside. It really sounds so good. There we go. Make sure you guys hit him up. It's pretty glary right now, but hit him up on McKinney Speed, dude. Such a good job. Oh, no scrapes, baby. Let's go. Yes. Finally, I needed this car loud. I can't wait till it pops. Sometimes it'll pop because it does run a little bit rich because of the blow-off valve. I want it to shoot a flame. Downside to this right now is I do have a 2.5-inch downpipe. It doesn't breathe very well. So next downpipe I get, when I do big turbo, it's going to be a giant, massive 3-inch one coming straight out of a massive turbo. So it's going to shoot some nasty flames. It drives much better now. It literally drives better. It's game time. I love it. A couple weeks ago, when I had my Porsche, I made a video saying that my goal for 2018 was to have 100,000 people watching the channel, 100,000 people watching every video that I produce, and that's my goal for 2018. And I want to say that lately, we haven't fully achieved that consistently, but lately, I just want to say thank you for those of you who have been a part of the channel and have been watching. I really genuinely thank you guys for being a part of my life. Without you guys watching, I wouldn't be able to make content like this and just have such a fun time. I mean, I'd still have a fun time every day, but I wouldn't be able to do the stuff that I do to cars. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for all of your support and for always watching the channel. You guys mean everything to me. Thank you from the both of us, from the bottom of our hearts. You're awesome, all of you. Oh, I won, dude! Sucker! It's late. I know it's dark, but I really want to give you guys some outside clips of the exhaust. So I'm gonna do one flyby. I'm gonna give you guys not a launch, but like me going. Give you guys some acceleration. Give you guys some exhaust clips. What am I doing? I don't know what I'm saying right now.
We're hungry.
This is true.
Obviously, people have been here before. It sounds so good. Do a flyby now.
Sounds good, baby. Oh man, perfect. Oh, I love it so much. I am literally going nuts over this exhaust. I think this thing looks so sick. And I don't know, I love the uniqueness of it. I miss the sound of a nice, mean 4-cylinder sounding thing, and we definitely got it out of this. It is gonna end up being louder when we do the downpipe, and I'm excited about that, but for now, it still sounds good, nice and throaty, and honestly better than I thought. I didn't want it to be too raspy, too loud, too ricey, but it's perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Again, a huge shout out to McKinney Speed for all this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you tomorrow. Peace out and be victorious. It's so good. I love it. Now you'll probably notice there's 2 videos in front of you. Don't click out of the channel. Watch one of those 2 videos. Promise you they're so good. Watch one of them too. Don't ignore me. Stop ignoring me.